Hi, my name is Annalise, and I am a part of Financial Accounting Section 2021, Section 001. So for this assignment in Tableau, we were asked to create a sales analysis for cat manufacturing. So in order to do this, I looked at different trends, different sales and revenue within the company over different years and around the globe. So if we start off, I created a dashboard that shows the revenue by year. So here you can see the sales revenue, so starting at 25 million all the way up to 45 million. And then to get a little bit more precise and have a better understanding of each quarter within the year, I created another dashboard that shows those trends from 2019 to 2021. And then following that, I have a revenue by category section. So in here we can see which areas within the cat manufacturing are producing the most revenue. So we have telecom, government R&D, materials processing, and medical. So these are the different categories that are producing revenue. And then within that, we have a sales by product line. So within the categories, there's different things that we sell. So these here, that shows this. So for example, ER laser, which was 8,482 and 131. And then up here, for example, we have single channel, which produced the most sales for, out of all the product lines at 15,854, 323. So that just shows all of the different sales by product line and how much they are producing in revenue. And then here we have top customers in sales. So the top customer in sales is Atlanta, the Atlantic Co., which is producing over 900,000 in sales. And over here, it can show you by the different just action category. And then following that is sales by division. So meaning in different countries around the world. So we have Germany, India, Korea, Russia, United Kingdom, United States. And then that shows for 2019, 2020, and 2021. So here you're going to be, obviously shows that generally speaking, Germany was producing the most sales revenue, with the exception of 2021, and that United States produced the most. And then here is just the sales division by map. So if I wanted to just map it, I could click on Russia and it'll show me the sales revenue. Same for the United States. So this will just show me by the map, and I can zoom in and zoom out with that. And then that takes us back to a dashboard that just shows all of the different trends and sales revenue by category, by the quarter and year, the product line, the map, in order to just have an overview if you were looking at this from the start. So thank you for listening. This was our project for Financial Accounting ACG 2021, and again, my name is Annalise Scott, and I am a part of Section 2021 001 with Seth. Thank you for listening.